The April 1st Wisconsin Supreme Court election could affect the current gender makeup of the bench. Right now, 6 of the 7 state Supreme Court justices, or 86% of them, are women, which is the highest proportion of female-to-male justices in all 50 states. Left-leaning candidate Susan Crawford and right-leaning candidate Brad Schimel are competing to replace the retiring left-leaning Justice Ann Walsh Bradley. If Schimel wins, the court will consist of 5 women and 2 men, changing the proportion to 71% and tying Wisconsin's Supreme Court with Washington and Illinois. As of 2025, no state Supreme Court is composed of all men, and 19 states have high courts that are between 50% and 86% female. If Crawford wins, the ideological composition would remain at the 4-3 liberal status quo, and if Schimel wins, the balance would flip toward conservatives. Sally Kenny, a political science professor at Tulane University and an expert on women in the judiciary, explained that gender is not very helpful in evaluating how judges decide cases. Instead, gender can be instructive when looking at how women ascend to the bench, including the double standards they face. In this election, advertising for both candidates has characterized the other as soft on crime, even though the state Supreme Court decides relatively few criminal cases. Kenny explained that this is an age-old tactic and is often more harmful for a woman's campaign. Read the full story at thebadgerproject.org.